What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. Y'all know I love my Google Pixel 3 XL, and the folks over at Whitestone Dome finally sent me one of these bad boys, and I have the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector installed on my Google Pixel 3 XL. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how to install it, a little brief review of the actual product, and whether or not I would recommend it. So I'm going to break this down into three parts. One, installation of it. I'm going to show you somewhat of a fast clip of me installing the one that I have. Two, the actual review of the glass screen protector. And then three, part C I suppose, would be whether or not I would recommend it, because it is a little bit expensive. So first part, right off the bat, let me tell you that you're going to feel like you're doing surgery on your phone, because it is a little bit of an involved process. It's not bad, it just looks super intimidating. So step one, you've got a lot to unpack. So you're gonna want a nice flat table with a lot of space. So you can see where I'm at right now is actually a nice countertop, a lot of space around me because you got a lot of pieces for this Whitestone Dome installation. Step two, prepare your phone. Basically turn it off. That's the best recommendation that I can make. That way you don't get any notifications or you don't accidentally, I don't know, just turn your phone off. That way you can see the awesome installation of the glass screen protector when you're moving all the air bubbles out of it, because you got a nice black screen. Step three, clean your phone with the alcohol wipe that they give you, and also that microfiber cloth that they give you. Wipe it off, get rid of all the alcohol. And that gets to my next point. Step four, use the dust stickers that they gave you in here. You're gonna have a little bit of dust specks there. Really inspect your phone. You don't want any dust particles underneath that glass screen protector, because I mean, it doesn't look good, let's be real. Step five, don't do what I did. Actually read the instructions. Don't assume that you know how to do it based on some of your previous installations of the Whitestone Dome. So really where I went rogue was moving and placing the plastic stickers on like the speaker housings and things like that. You're actually supposed to put them on the plastic housing that Whitestone gives you. Yeah, I didn't do that. I put them directly on the phone. Now, it still worked. I got the general gist of what I was trying to do, but going rogue isn't exactly what you were supposed to do in that instance. If you follow what Whitestone actually wrote in their installation guide, it'll work a little bit better, but even if you don't nail it perfectly, it's still going to install and look great. The good news is if you screw up and you don't put the stickers on the way that you're supposed to, as long as you're not blocking where the screen protector goes, it's still going to work out. So yeah, you don't have to necessarily be perfect to get this installed and end up being perfect on your phone, but it helps if you actually, read the instruction guides like I didn't. I didn't block stuff, I'm just an idiot, so therefore I can say the following. Hi, I'm Scott from Technically Speaking. Whitestone Dome makes a protector that it's so good, even an idiot like me can install it. Step 6, put the plastic adhesive bridge structure in place. Place the adhesive pin into place, unscrew the cap, and then wait for the blob to go bloop or plop or whatever the noise it is right on the screen of your Pixel 3 XL. Step 7, now full disclosure, I didn't actually do this because I didn't feel like I had to do it. They give you this plastic housing thing that you're supposed to slide up the actual screen protector to make sure that it completely covers your device in the adhesive. I didn't have to do that, it just naturally worked its way out by just me leaving it sitting there on the counter. Honestly, I didn't have to do it. I don't think that you have to do it, but the instructions definitely say that you should, so take that as a grain of salt. Step 8, the curing time. You got 15 to 20 seconds at the top, 15 to 20 seconds at the bottom while it's still in the plastic housing. After that, remove everything, remove the stickers, clean up the phone with the alcohol wipes that you still have left over, and then you're going to re-cure it again in step 9. Now that re-cure is basically another 60 seconds at the top, 60 seconds at the bottom, and now you have a fully cured, fully installed Whitestone Dome screen protector on your Google Pixel 3 XL. Now that I've gotten the installation out of the way, let's take a look at the actual glass screen protector itself. Full disclosure, it's pricey. It's $45 on Amazon right now. However, that comes with the full kit, the UV light, everything that you need in order to get this Whitestone Dome installed on your Pixel 3 XL or whatever device that you choose. With that being said, I am completely comfortable spending the $45 on a glass screen protector like that, simply because I happen to get a lot of scratches on my Google Pixel 2 XL back in the day. And if I would have had a Whitestone Dome, I would have been able to basically either get a lifetime replacement from them because I had scratches, or just go out and get another one even though I had the full kit. I don't like scratches. My OCD just simply doesn't allow for something like that, and I want to keep my screen as perfect as possible. This gets me as close to the real feel of the glass on the Google Pixel 3. I have had no issues with presses, swipes, or anything like that. It is a fully functional glass screen protector. It feels just like the Google Pixel 3 XL glass that comes right from the factory. So that pretty much parlays into would I recommend it or not? Absolutely. $45 is really, really pricey, but I don't have to worry about if I drop it and it's just the Whitestone Dome that gets broken, I can just swap it out and replace it, rather than a couple $100 for a screen replacement that basically opens up my Pixel 3 and now it's not waterproof anymore and all that other jazz. Again, $45 worth the price for me. Go out, buy it. Link in the description below for the Whitestone Dome for the Pixel 3 XL. And for you folks that don't have a Google Pixel 3 XL, I'll throw the links in for iPhone, Samsung, all that other jazz. I swear by the Whitestone Dome now. Technically, everybody out there told me how good they were. I got them. They're amazing. Swear by them. So yet again, they've got another evangelist on their side. So that's it. That's all I have. Thanks so much for watching this video of the brief installation and also whether you should buy the Whitestone Dome for the Google Pixel 3 XL. As always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will see you next time.